Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the render cache in Davinci Resolve. You will want to do this when you finish working on a project so that it frees up storage space on your drive. I have multiple client projects on the go each month and that render cache can be pretty huge, like 420 gig in my case. What? 420 gig? I will show you two ways, project by project, and the nuclear option of how to clear out all the render caches at the same time. Stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip to clear the render cache really fast. Let me know in the comments below if this helped and what size your render cache was. This video is sponsored by DavinciResolve They make easy to use drag and drop title packs for Davinci Resolve. To get a free title pack, click on the link in the description. We also have a super friendly Facebook group for Davinci Resolve and we share all sorts of tutorials on how to do things, the link's in the description. That's my main drive and I don't actually have any documents on there, so it must be the Davinci Resolve render cache. Go up to the menu, click on playback, and then go down to delete render cache, click all, and then all we're going to do is press delete, and it's only deleting the cache for this project. So I'll go ahead and press delete. So you see there, all our renders have disappeared. Doing this for each project is kind of a pain, so I'll show you how to do them all in one go. To clear out the render cache for every project, go to Preferences, then you want to make sure you're on System. We're looking for media storage and we can see here that it's in this folder, so it's in the movies folder. So all I've got to do now is go and find that in Finder or File Manager. Here's our folder inside movies. If I right click, get info, we can see it's about 420 gigabytes. So to delete these, just go into the folder, highlight all of them, Command A to do that, and then we can move them to the bin or delete them. And remember also to empty the recycle bin as well, and that will take them off the system completely. And if I have a look at my drive now, it's looking a lot more healthy. And another tip is, if you know you're going to be doing this quite often, just create a favourites folder. So you haven't got to go hunting around for this folder, you can just literally go straight into here and then delete your folders this way, which will save you a lot of time if you're going to do it every month. Well, that's it guys. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. If you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.